In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're reconciling your business accounts or preparing financial records, being able to print a bank reconciliation is an essential skill for maintaining accurate records. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, but there are a few steps to follow to ensure everything is accurate and formatted correctly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate and print your reconciliation report with confidence. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. To begin, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Accounting in the navigation panel. This will open up all the accounting-related tools and features you need for managing your finances. From here, select the Reconcile tab to access the reconciliation section. Next, locate the account and period you want to work with. In this section, you'll see a list of your accounts and their reconciliation history. Open the specific reconciliation view for the account and period you want to print. Once you've selected the correct account, take a moment to verify the key details. Check the statement ending date, the beginning balance, and the cleared transactions. Also, make sure to review any differences that may appear. This step is key to ensuring your records align with your bank statement. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a printer icon. Click on it to generate the print view for your reconciliation report. This will give you a preview of how the report will look when printed. In this print view, carefully review the details. Check the summary information as well as the transactions listed to ensure everything is accurate. If you spot any discrepancies, it's a good idea to resolve them before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the accuracy of the report, click the Print button. This will open your browser's print dialog box. In this dialog, confirm that your printer is selected, check the pages you want to print, and make sure everything looks good to go. If necessary, adjust the print settings. For example, you might need to change the scale, orientation, or margins to ensure the report fits neatly on the page. Once everything is set, proceed to print the report. And that's it. You've successfully printed your bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.